Hi. To run an SEO project, tools plays very important role. Tools will make your work very easy when you are doing SEO project for your company or for your blog or for your client. There are a number of tools are there like free tools and premium tools, free plus premium tools are there. What you will get by using these tools? First thing is you can do keyword research. That means you come to know how many people are searching about your services or particular keyword. By using this tool, you can check. So for particular keyword, how many people are searching on Google and what is the difficulty or SEO difficulty or keyword difficulty and what is the paid difficulty, what is the average cost per click. These things you can get by using this tool. Second thing, if you are planning to write any blog or any content, so you can get content ideas. So which topic is popular, which topic is getting more social shares. So these things you can come to know by using this tool. Then third thing, so whenever you are doing marketing activity, you should analyze about your competitor also. That is one of the important thing when you are doing any marketing activities. Here also you can analyze your competitor, how much their website is getting traffic and which keywords they are getting more traffic to their website and how many backlinks they are getting and which website is giving backlink to them. So these things you can get by using tools. Then fourth thing, you can audit your website. That means so whatever drawbacks are there in your website, that means so if you are using multiple title tags or multiple meta description or multiple H1 tags, so these things, these tools will suggest you. So you are using multiple title tags or multiple meta descriptions or multiple H1 tags, you are missing all tags. So these tools will analyze and these tools will suggest you. So you should fix these issues. There are a number of tools are there like premium tools. Some of the popular tools are Ahrefs, SEMrush, Moz, Ubersuggest, so Spyfu. So like this, there are a number of tools are there. But Ahrefs, Moz, SEMrush is most popular tool in SEO industry. But these tools are very expensive. So how much they will charge? So they will charge minimum $99 per month. Like every month you need to pay $99 to get these details. Suppose if you are small blogger or if you are writing blogs or if you are running small SEO agency, so you have alternate solution, that is Ubersuggest. This Ubersuggest tool is acquired by Nelly Patel. So everyone know about Nelly Patel. So he is offering this tool with very low prices. So they are charging like $12 per month. Whatever Ahrefs, SEMrush, Moz offering features, so nearly 70 to 80% of features Ubersuggest also offering. So in this video, I am going to explain how you can use Ubersuggest for your SEO project. So with the free of cost also you can use, so if you pay some amount for subscription, so you can get more data and you can download more data and you can export more data. So in this video, I am going to explain about how you can use Ubersuggest for your SEO project, how it is going to be helpful for your SEO project. Before we are going to discuss about our topic, please subscribe our channel and click bell icon to get latest notifications. Let's start. So if you want to log in Ubersuggest tool, just you can search like nellypatel.com/Ubersuggest. So this is the tool. Just you can enter any keyword, for example, wedding planners, like that I am searching, just search. So this is the dashboard. So later I am going to sign in. So I want to know how many people are searching about wedding planners. So in India, suppose I want to search in India, so I am going to enter India, like English India, just search. Here we can check like search volume, SEO difficulty, paid difficulty, cost per click. So already you know search volume is nothing but, so averagely 14,800 people searching every month like wedding planners. So SEO difficulty is 30. So like if it is 1 to 30, so easily you can get top position on Google with that keyword. So if it is SEO difficulty is 30, like easily you can get top position on Google with this keyword. So this is the paid difficulty, like a cost per click. So suppose if anyone search about wedding planners, by using ads you can get top position on Google. So for each click we need to pay averagely 23 rupees 89 paisa. So difficulty is 23. So like, so it is a less competition. So now we are using free version. So that's why these details are not showing. So like from October and November, like mobile, how many people are searching about like wedding planners, like that. So averagely on the month of November, 1,691 people searching on mobile and 13,109 people searching on desktop. So like that, so month wise you can check. If you have premium version, like you can get from March to February. For example, if anyone search like wedding planners on Google, so we don't know how many people are going to click or just they are going to search and they are going to close.
So like that, how many people are clicking on SEO results, that mean organic results. For example, if I search wedding planners, so if I click, so this one is the organic results. So if anyone click organic results, so here it will show how many people are searching on SEO results, that means organic results. So how many people are searching on here, and how many people are clicking on paid results, and some people just they will search and they will leave it. Then which age people are searching about that particular keyword, so that you can get, and keyword ideas. So here you can check, like here I mentioned like wedding planner. So like Ubersuggest is going to give some suggestions, like people are searching like the wedding planners. So like volume is 5,400 people searching like the wedding planners, and 2,900 people searching like wedding planner courses. So 2,900 people searching like wedding planners Delhi, 1,900 people searching like wedding planners Bangalore. So like that it will show some limited details because it is a free version. So if you go for like a premium version, you can get more results. So if you check here content ideas, that means, so just I give like a wedding planners in the search bar. So it is showing like, so people are blogs on like 9 secrets from wedding planners. So like that they are writing blogs on particular topic, so by using wedding planners. So with these titles you can get some idea how you can write blogs on particular topic, like how people are writing on particular topic. Like that you can get some brief idea. So here you can check like keyword ideas, so the left side. So like here it will show the keyword ideas, like how people are searching, like all the details it won't show, because if you go for a premium version then you can get more details. So otherwise it will show very less details only. So here you can check like related keywords or question related keywords, like what does wedding planner do, how much do wedding planners cost. So like that, so you can get like question type queries and prepositions by using prepositions. So like wedding planners near me, like that people are searching like comparisons, like wedding planners and decorations. So like that it will show different results, and you can filter here, like so search volume it should be like minimum 20, like that you can select, and SEO difficulty you can select, then you can apply it. So it will filter some results. So only it will show the like search volume like above 20 search volume only. Then content ideas. So suppose if you give any keyword to, suppose if you are going to write any content, so just give that keyword, so you will get some ideas how people are writing on that particular topic, like that. Then as I told, like you should know about your competitor. For example, wedding planners in Bangalore. So this is my focus keyword. So I want to know who is our main competitor. For example, if I take wedmegood.com, so just I need to copy that URL and paste it here. How many keywords they are focusing and how much traffic they are getting from India. So this Wedmegood averagely every month like 16 lakhs traffic they are getting. So from 7 lakhs 83 149 keywords. So their domain authority here you can check, and how many backlinks they have. So these details you can get here. What is their growth, traffic wise growth, you can check here. Like in the month of October 1.5 million and 1.6 million and 1.5 million and 1.6 million. So if it is a premium version, you can check from March to October. And if I put cursor here in the month of February, like 30,101 keywords rank in the 1 to 3rd position. That means in the first page, so first and second, third position. And 62,000 keywords are 4 to 10 position, and 3,83,000 keywords are 11 to 50 position, and 3 lakhs keywords are 51 to 100 position. Like that you can check about your competitor. Then you can check from which page they're getting more traffic. For example, this page is like wedmegood.com/vendors all wedding photography. So mostly they're getting 4 lakhs traffic for this particular web page. That particular web page getting, so from 26 websites they're getting backlinks. So this page has 26 backlinks. The more backlinks a page has, the more traffic it typically receiver. So from these websites they're getting traffic. And you can, here you can check like how many people sharing on Facebook and how many people are sharing on Pinterest. So these details you can get here. So then you want to know like related to Wedmegood website, is there any website like that? So if I click like similar websites, so it will show related to Wedmegood websites. So what are the websites are there related to that Wedmegood, like a Justdial, India Mart. So approximately if match some keywords on Justdial and Wedmegood, it will consider as a like a related website like that, or similar website like that, like India Mart, weddings, Wedding Wears, Shadi Saga, and Wed Me Good. So if you want to know more about, so we need to upgrade. So here we can check. So like just tell how much traffic they're getting in November month, and India Mart, weddings. So like that you can check here. So like common keywords too, like Wed Me Good and Just Tell is 2,16 keywords. So like India Mart and Wed Me Good is 2,12 keywords. Wed Me Good and Just Tell or India Mart. So you can check. So what are the common keywords are there in both the websites. So like that you can check here. Then SEO Analyzer. SEO Analyzer is nothing but here you can audit your website. For example, if I give any websites like indmall.in, so any website you can check. It will take some few minutes, so we should wait. So it is loading, but it will showing like, so what is the score of on page, like a 90% you satisfied. So like organic monthly traffic, how much you are getting, and organic keywords and the backlinks here you can check. And health check, like crawl pages are 31 pages. So here it will show like how much time it will take to load on desktop and how much it is taking like to load in mobile, and what are the technical issues. Again it is analyzing, like it will show the what are the technical issues on your website. So here it is showing like 2 pages with the duplicate title tag. Suppose if you use same title tag for 2 pages, like it will show like in the which URL you are using same title tag. Suppose if you see here, so like there is a 2 pages are there, like one is a duplicate one. So we are using same title tag for both pages. So if you check some other issues, 3 pages with no meta description and 17 pages with title tag is too long, and 1 page with poorly formatted URL for SEO. So remain in detail. If you upgrade your package, like you can use that upgrade version. Then go for backlinks. So suppose if I give like indmall.in domain, so if I select like a domain, so it will show how many backlinks this website is getting. From how many website they're getting backlinks, like 1,459 backlinks. So these details you can check here, and you can check here. This is a graph, like so every month how many backlinks they're getting, like from how many websites. So these details like referring domains and backlinks. So you can check, and every day you can check like how many backlinks you received today and how many backlinks you lost, and so which domain they're getting backlinks. So for example, if you check, so we got 34 domains with the DA of 21 to 40, and 18 backlinks from 1 to 20 domain authority. So like that you can check. So what are the anchor text we use for that particular keyword? So how many backlinks with that particular anchor text? So that you can check. Here you can check like where you get backlinks. So exactly URL you can check here. So it is loading, so we should wait. Here we can check like where they're getting backlinks. So like all links we can filter here, or only you can filter follow, or only you can filter like a no follow links. So if you click one link per domain, so only you can check for example, if you get links 10 links from one domain, so no need to check about that 10 links. So if you know the domain where you are getting, so that is enough. Suppose if you know about so where they're getting backlinks or which domain they're getting backlinks, that is enough. Suppose if your competitor is getting backlinks from that particular domain, so if you submit that particular domain your website, suppose if you submit your website in particular that domain, so it is enough. So here it will show like it is a no follow link, from this website they're getting backlinks, or from this website they're getting backlinks. So like that you can check. So what is that website domain authority and page authority, anchor text, and when Ubersuggest check like this resource, and so when they lastly checked it is existing or not. These details you can check here. So like that you can check about your competitor website or your website. Like suppose if you are doing SEO product for your company, like if you check every day like where you are getting backlinks, so how many backlinks you are getting, so how much traffic you are getting. So these details will helpful to your SEO process. Suppose if you want to upgrade your package, really I'm telling you like these are very economical SEO tool. Like per month they are charging like $12. Suppose if you are planning to suppose you are planning multiple websites, so like that time you can pay like $40 like that. So like if you are new for SEO industry, like or if it is startup company, or if it is a startup SEO company, like this one is enough. Like $12 per month is enough for your company. I hope you learned about some of the basic things about this Ubersuggest. So what I'm going to say is, like these are free version only. Like you can trial, you can use for a 7 days free trial also. From 7 days you can get some of the details. If you are happy with that 7 days, then you go for a premium version. I hope you learned some of the basic things about Ubersuggest. So if you like this video, please give, comment, like and share. So please subscribe our channel and click bell icon to get latest notification. Thank you so much for valuable time to watch this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.